Are you having a focus mode not working issue on your iPhone 8 Plus? Hi there, welcome to this video. Here's the top advanced guidelines to solve focus mode not working issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off Share Across Devices. Go to Settings, tap Focus, then simply turn off Share Across Devices. Solution 2. Check for allowed apps and contacts. Open Settings, tap Focus, now tap the particular focus mode like Do Not Disturb. Now tap People. After that, turn off Allow Repeated Calls. Now tap back a step, then tap Apps. After that, turn off time-sensitive notifications. Now simply restart and check your iPhone whether it's solved or not. If you still have the issues, then proceed to Solution 3. Solution 3. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset All Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset All Settings. But be warned though, because resetting all settings will reset the settings to default, so make sure to remember your password. After that, after resetting network, go ahead and check whether your issue is solved or not. Hopefully your problem should be solved. If you have any kind of questions, then please write them in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, then please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.